Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Lawyer as always, and I'm glad you stopped by to watch today's video. Okay, today I'm going to show you a kitchen hack that I just discovered a couple of months ago, and I've been using it, and God, I almost forgot that I'm supposed to share this with you, so that just in case you're going through what I was going through prior to when I discovered this hack kitchen hack. Yes, you it's gonna be helpful to you and to people that don't just know anything about it. It is about this thing, rice cooker. Ouch, I hope it doesn't fall down. Yes. Now, guys, the thing is they actually made this rice cooker just for us to be cooking rice with it, right? Yes, this is what they call rice cooker. It's meant for cooking just rice, right? And that's why it goes by the name rice cooker. But guys, do you also know that you can actually cook your, this is the cable. Yes, you know that you can actually cook your beans with this rice cooker. Yes, you can actually cook your beans with this rice cooker. I'm telling you, and it works very fast. And it cooks your beans so fast. I actually tried this some months ago, and it actually works for me, and so I thought I should share this with you. Yes, all you need to do is wash your beans and then pour into this pot, which is meant for cooking rice. Yeah, pour it into the pot, and then you just the same method you use in cooking your rice, the same method you use in cooking your beans inside the rice cooker as well. But the only difference is that it's gonna start bringing out water, so you need to be careful you don't cover it like the normal cover like this. All you need to do, guys, is leave it up halfway open so that the vapor doesn't start coming out with pressure and then bringing out the water, thereby pouring so much water on the ground for you to start doing extra work like mopping the house all over again. Yes, but this thing works like magic. So it got me thinking, guys. It actually got me thinking, what is the need for us to have pressure pots? Like, I do have pressure pot. In fact, I've not even used it, guys. I've not opened, ouch, I've not opened this particular pressure pot. I've not used it, actually. Sorry, I've not used this particular pressure pot. But I was like thinking, what's the purpose of manufacturing another set of pots that is meant for beans when you can actually cook your rice inside your beans inside the rice cooker, and it gives you what you want. It's so fast, guys. It is fast when you cook it inside your rice cooker, but I think cooking it inside your pressure pot is quite faster. I've not used it, and that's what I'm scared of, using this particular type. It's a new model. Yeah, it's a new model of pressure pot. It's a new model, but it's a small one, small liter. Yeah, it doesn't contain much. And so if the rice cooker, sorry, if this rice cooker can actually cook my beans, and very fast, so why need to buy this again? Except if I'm to cook stubborn meats like cow leg, female cow meat instead of male cow meat, because of course female cow meat is quite stronger. It takes time to compared to male cow meat. Just the difference is just that the female meat is quite sweeter than the male meat, but it stays longer in the fire when compared to the male cow meat. Yes, except that's what you want to use it for. Otherwise, I don't see the reason why you keep on manufacturing things that can do the same thing. You just want us to be wasting money or spending money unnecessarily when there's no money. Do you get? So rice cooker can actually cook your beans in within a short period of time, and you're done with everything. Yes, so guys, so if you have tried this before, tell me in the comment section how far, because as I've been using this, I've not used this pressure pot since I got it out, but I've been using it. In fact, as at yesterday, I used it to cook my beans. Just cook it and just keep on checking it like you always do. Just go back and check, and when water is going down, you add more water, and that's it, and you are done. And you save cost, save money, and also save time as well. So if you have done this, if you have tried this, if you have used this before to cook your beans, tell me in the comment section. It warms your food. I use it to warm my food whenever I'm out of gas and there's nobody to send. And there's light, I'll just use it and warm my stew or my soup like that. I need to boil water as well. That's it. We just need to improvise. This in the absence of these pressure pots, you can actually make use of your rice cooker, and the rice cooker is happy, you are happy. Yes, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it to friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you have not done that, and please turn on your post notifications so that when I drop a video you get notified. All right guys, I'm going to see you on my next video. Thank you and bye.